Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a hyacinth flower card. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are glue, scissors, and cardstock. First, you're going to take your white piece of cardstock and fold it in half just like you would making a card. Next, what you're going to do is take your green piece of cardstock and cut out the stem and 2 leaves. Now what you're going to do is glue them all down. Next, what you're going to do is cut a small blue rectangle or oval. I cut a rectangle first and then rounded the corners, and then you're going to glue it down. You can actually do whatever color you want, but I decided to do blue. Then you're going to cut the paper that you used to make the flower with into long strips, and then cut them into thirds or fourths or however small you want your little rings to be, which you'll see we're going to be making. Then what you're going to do is glue them together, the rings, and then you're going to glue the rings down to your blue oval. And I found that I needed to use hot glue because my glue stick was not strong enough, but if you're using paper, I bet your glue stick will be. Since I was using cardstock, I had to use hot glue, but make sure if you're using hot glue, you have permission. And there you go. A super cute hyacinth flower card. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!